In today's video, I'm just going to give you a look at some of the setups that we have gotten into in the trading room and that we are currently following. Typically, we get requests for these and we set them up, and when the setup zone holds and it triggers an entry, we take an entry. Our initial stop is either underneath the low that was made prior to the buy trigger or underneath the low end of the zone. And we had quite a few of these setups that included symmetry this week. We've been in Lulu, which gave us some symmetry support. Symmetry is always in red on my charts, but we had a nice pullback into the symmetry support. It triggered on both a 15-minute and a 30-minute chart for a swing trade entry. And if we get the full move, the initial upside target is going to be the 194.70 area. So since we're not yet at the target, we will also start looking at pullbacks on an intraday chart, similar to the way that I did that one in VEVE yesterday, in yesterday's video. Anyway, so we had Lulu. We also had this gorgeous symmetry that overlapped a 618 retracement of the prior swing in the case of W day. Now we have one more hurdle there, but it is targeting, or minimum target is 225.88, and then if we push through that, 232.08. We also had a setup with symmetry in TWLO. We did have the nice pullback here. We had price clearly above the 200, above the 50. We didn't have the 513 on our side immediately, but once we did get that on our side, we did see an acceleration to the upside. We still have a higher target in the case of TWLO to the 155.76 area. So, for example, I'll be looking at the lower time frame charts to set up some symmetrical pullbacks for another entry, since I have a much higher target. And I think the other one, you've already seen this one yesterday. The setup in VEVE came in with a low on June 27th. And that hit and held, and if we get the full target, we're going to look at 178.72. If we go for the second target, that's going to come in at 185.18.